Homestead and Taxes. Calculate the property taxes due for a homestead resident assessed at $175,000 in an area where the county tax is 8 mills, the city tax is 7 mills, and the school board tax is 6 mills. So first we're going to go ahead and just place those different mills on the board here so that we can look at them as we calculate through each one. So the first thing we need to do is look at our homestead allowances. What's the maximum amount that we can claim with $175,000 property value? So recall that anything from $75,000 and up, you have a maximum allowance of $50,000. So we can go ahead and subtract that $50,000 from the $175,000, which is going to give us $125,000 as our taxable value. And now it's time for us to go ahead and do these city, county, and school taxes. So with the county and the city, you can actually do those together. Because recall that for those two, that is where that maximum $50,000 allowances come from. So just add those two together, 8 plus 7, that's going to give me 15. So then all we have to do is just multiply 125,000 times 0.015, and we get a tax of $1,875. Lastly, let's go ahead and calculate the school board rate, and that's 6 mills. So that's going to be, however, that's not going to be 125 times 0.006, because with the school board, recall that the maximum homestead that you can claim is 25,000. So it's going to be your original 175 minus 25,000, which is going to give you 150,000. So then you multiply 150,000 times your school board tax rate 0.006, and that's going to give us $900. And then lastly, all we need to do is to simply add these taxes together, and we have our total property taxes due for this homestead resident, and that would be $2,775, choice B.